Hi everyone, Miss Carmen here from the El Paso Public Library, streaming at home to share with you all a wonderful craft idea with items you have at home. Today here joining me is my daughter Isabella.
Hi everyone.
And today's project is called Water Bottle Wind Spirals. Now if you have empty water bottles sitting at home, you and your child can turn them into pretty yard art with a few simple items. Now the supplies we will need is a clean empty water bottle. We'll also need some colorful permanent markers. And lastly, we will need some scissors or kid scissors. Great, now let's get started. First, grab your clean empty water bottle, take the top off, and also take the label off. Great. Next, you will go ahead and grab your markers and start coloring away. Now, there's no wrong way to color. You can color top to bottom or from bottom to top. You can also color them in vertical or horizontal lines. You can also place some colorful flowers, or you can also place some stickers on them if you have them. Next, you will grab your kid scissors or your scissors and cut the bottom portion of your water bottle. Now parents, you might want to assist your kids with this because it is kind of tough to cut through that water bottle with those kid scissors. Once you've gone ahead and cut the bottom portion, you can go ahead and place it aside for another project, or you can just throw it away. Next, you will go ahead and cut your water bottle from the bottom edge round and round into a spiral till you hit the shoulder part of your water bottle. Once you've done that, voila! You have your beautiful water bottle's wind spiral. Now once that is all done, you can go ahead and head outside or to your window and go ahead and display your art. Now don't forget to go ahead and share your art with us in our social media, Facebook. And that is all for today. So till next time, remember, don't forget to wash those hands and stay safe. Bye everyone.